In this video, we're going to take a break from working on the railroad and just enjoy running the trains. And we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Owen. In these videos, I'm continuing to build and expand my traditional low-gauge Polar Express Railroad. I'm running 3 trains on it at the present time. One is a Polar Express passenger train pulled by a Polar Express Berkshire steam locomotive. The second is a Polar Express freight train that's pulled by a LionChief Plus Hudson steam locomotive with Milwaukee Road badging on it. And the third train is from a very early Polar Express ready-to-run set that I've got on my elevated track. That's also a Berkshire steam locomotive. I've been doing a lot of work on my railroad over the last several weeks, and I'm continuing to expand it, as I said, and I've got some repairs and other things to do. But today I thought I'd take a different approach and just take a day off and run the trains. I'm going to include in this video the camera sitting on the train and showing you what everything looks like at track level. And I'm going to do some slow-mo as part of that so you can get a real sense of what it looks like from the train as it goes around the track. And you can see some of the structures and the accessories that we've got. And we'll also do that with subdued lighting so that you can see the lights illuminating them, which I think is pretty cool. One of my favorite ways to run is in semi-darkness. I have a lot more videos planned for the Polar Express because I've got a lot more building and expansion to do. So now would be a great time to click the subscribe down below and make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get started. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Please click the thumbs up down below and like this video. And if you haven't done so already, click to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos as they come out. Again, thanks for watching.